Welcome to Guide Guru. We hope this video helps.
You begin by picking one clear image and deciding where to run the search. Desktop browsers give full tools while phones work too. Once chosen, crop tightly to the subject to remove distracting background, because search engines match visual features, not context. Make sure the file is a common format like JPG or PNG and under 10 MB so uploads are fast. Then open the search tool you prefer. For quick results, use Google Images or a reverse image app and get ready for the next step. You upload or paste the image URL into the reverse image search field. Google Images shows a camera icon and tin iron upload button. Once uploaded, the engine analyzes shapes, colors, and patterns to find matches. This is why a tight crop helps. If results are broad, add text keywords like a place, brand, or person to refine matches. Make sure to check visually similar results and any listed pages. They often reveal original sources and higher resolution versions you can use next. You now inspect the best matches, opening each page to confirm the original source or context. Compare details like composition, date, and resolution to verify authenticity. If matches are weak, try alternative engines, crop differently, or upload a higher quality screenshot because engines weigh detail heavily. Make sure to clear cache or use incognito if results seem stale, and retry. Sometimes browser extensions block uploads. Finally, once you identify a likely source, save the page link and note any licensing or attribution requirements.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you today.